DPF and DEF emulator installation in Kalmar Reachstacker. Locate the main power switch and cut the power off. Locate the ACM module. Loosen the bolts of the protective panel. Front ones can be easily accessed from here, but the rear ones require us to go under the machine. Loosen the bolts to take the back plate off. After taking the back plate off, we have easy access to the rear bolts, so we can unbolt them. Unplug the ACM module. Replace it with the emulator. Locate the second NOx sensor, which is the downstream sensor. It is always positioned after the SCR catalyst, monitoring the emissions post-treatment. It's typically further down the exhaust system, closer to the muffler or tailpipe. Unplug it and leave it unplugged. The first NOx sensor stays functional. Now we can turn the main power switch and the ignition back on. The LED indicators on the emulator should start flashing.